We here at the Brazos Valley Economic Development Corporation want to offer and extend our sincere congratulations to FUJIFILM Diosynth Biotechnologies and the team. We're so honored to have you here and excited about this announcement. This announcement really brings to the front and center the fact that the Brazos Valley is really becoming a thriving biotech industry hub. FUJIFILM is doing a marvelous job, obviously, now with COVID-19 and other things that they're working on. And in partnership with the talent base as well as the education resources that are here with Texas A&M University and the talent in our community, we can really see wonderful opportunities as a result of biotech here in the Brazos Valley.